Question number 25. The diagram shows possible paths of PQ, R, PQ and S of particles moving into a region of uniform magnetic field. The field is directed into the plane of paper. There are three particles. Which particles are chosen by each one? So that's what you need to know. Which particle represents which. So how do we know? See, there is a magnetic field. There is a charge over here. This charge gets deflected like this. Gets deflected like this. Why should it get deflected? Because the magnetic field will impose a force on it, right? And a moving charge. So now let us use which rule? Left hand rule. What is the left hand rule says? It says FPI. Okay, force, magnetic field, electric current. Okay, so first let us use it for positive charge. Now the very first thing in this diagram that you need to do is align your index finger with a magnetic field. Okay, so align it. So therefore you are aligning it like this. B is now pointing inside to me. Then the charge is moving in this direction. Okay, so now you have to take the mirror image of this. So it's moving in this direction. So therefore now what happens is this is your current only. What is the force? Force is acting this. When can this rule be applicable? This rule is applicable when the charge in question is always a positive charge. So therefore definitely this is a positive charge. But there is a charge which comes like this. This was positive, it should definitely be negative. And there's a charge which goes like this. What is this? It's not getting deflected at all. That means it doesn't have any charge until zero charge. So now what is this? Q is positive, Q is positive, then S is negative, S is negative, electron, R is zero, R is neutron. Therefore option is C.